The next topic for today's class is here retirement of a bill under rebate. Rebate is a relaxation. It is a reduction in the total amount of the bill. I will explain you this concept. Please listen carefully. Tamanna, Hers, pay attention. And the topic is, what do you mean by retirement of a bill under rebate? Under rebate. Suppose A has sold the goods to B costing rupees 50,000 and the time period is 3 months. The credit period is 3 months. It means that B will pay the bill after 3 months, the amount of the bill after 3 months. But sometimes if the drawee has surplus funds, suppose Mr. B has surplus funds, he may pay the amount of the bill earlier than the maturity date, even before the maturity date. Once again, get to the point. If the drawee pays the amount of the bill before the maturity date, he is given some discount. He is given some discount on the total amount of the bill to be paid. On the total amount of the bill to be paid. I am taking an example. A sold goods costing 10,000 to B. And drew a bill for 3 months or 2 months. The bill was made on 1st January. Therefore, the maturity date will be after 3 months. January, February, then March, then April. The maturity date will be how much? What will be the maturity date, my dear students?
Fourth April.
Should be 4th of April. 4th of April. But suppose B wants to make payment 2 months before. 2 months before. He wants to make the payment 2 months before. Mr. B wants to make the payment 2 months before the maturity date, that is 4th April. So A will give him rebate. A will give him some discount on the amount which is 10,000. Suppose he gives 10% discount. 10% discount. So how much discount will be given? or rebate because he is paying 2 months before the maturity date. So we will calculate rebate for 2 months. We will calculate rebate for 2 months. It is calculated like this: 10,000 into 10 upon 100 into 2 upon 12. 1,000 half, that is rupees 500. Rupees 500. Rupees 500 is the rebate, or you can say discount given by A to B because he is making early payment. He is making payment before the maturity date. Therefore, he will pay less amount. He will pay 9,500 rupees to A. Only 9,500 rupees. And the entry will be this will be the journal entry in the book of drawer. In the book of drawer or in the book of A. He will receive only 9,500 rupees. 500 rupees he has given discount. It is an expense for him or a loss for him. 500 rupees for A. He will get less amount. Sahibdeep, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
500 rupees A को कम मिलेंगे. He will get less amount. Why he is getting less amount? Because he is getting early payment. He has to receive 10,000 rupees after 3 months. But B is giving him amount earlier than the maturity date. Earlier, the payment was to be made on 4th April. Now, the payment will be made in February, 2 months before the maturity date. Therefore, some discount is given by A to B, drawer to drawing, and this discount is calculated like this: total amount to be paid multiplied by rate and months. Months are 2 upon 12. It is 500 rupees. So B will pay 500 rupees less. A will get 9,500. 500 is discount or rebate, which is loss. Expense and loss are debit to bill receivable account. What will be the journal entry in the books of B? Drawing. Vansika, what will be the journal entry in the books of B? Drawing की books में क्या journal entry होंगी? Third वाली. Any idea? In the book of drawing B, for payment before maturity, third journal entry will be
Bill payable account debit to bank account.
bill payable. पूरा लिख देते हैं. Bills payable account debit. How much? 10,000.
10,000.
to bank account and to rebate account. Here you see rebate on bill is credited because for drawing it is income. Rebate is income for drawing, but it is expense for ड्रॉर. ड्रॉर के लिए लॉस हो गया 500 रुपए का और ड्रॉई को 500 रुपए का फायदा हो गया. He has paid only 9,500 rupees. Droy has paid only 9,500 rupees, whereas drawer has got 5,000 rupees less because he will get less amount. This is debited 500 rupees. Expense कह लीजिए, loss कह लीजिए उन्हें. It is debited in his books, but in the drawing book it will be credited. It is an income for him. It is an income for him. So this is the concept of retiring a bill under rebate. You are retiring a bill. Drawee is retiring a bill. He is making the payment before the due date because he has got surplus funds or he want to make early payment to save some money, to avail some rebate or discount. I hope the topic is clear. Along with the journal entries, third journal entry in both the books, in the book of drawer and in the book of drawing, will change. Only the third journal entry will change. First entry and second entry in the books of drawer and drawing will remain same. Both the entries drawer and drawing की book पे same रहेंगी. Only the journal entry of third journal entry of payment, receiving the payment drawing, making the payment drawing and receiving the payment in the books of drawer will change. How to calculate rebate? I have told you the method how to calculate rebate. Total amount of the bill multiplied by percentage, rebate percent, and multiplied by months upon 12. The months, जितने months पहले payment हो रही है, the payment made by drawing, the drawing has made the payment 2 months before. Therefore, we have taken 2 upon 12. If he makes the payment 3 months before, you will write 3 upon 12. 1 month before, you will write 1 upon 12. So this is the topic for today, retiring a bill under rebate. We have done 4 cases. We have done retiring a bill under rebate. We have done dishonor of bill. Dishonor of bill when the bill is retained by the drawer. I have explained to you yesterday. Retiring a bill is done today. I hope the journal entries are clear. The first 2 journal entries remains same. The first 2 journal entries remains same. There is no change in the journal entries in the books of drawer and drawing. First journal entry, B account debit to sales account at the time of sale of good on credit, and second journal entry, acceptance received from B, that is bill receivable account debit to B's account will remain same. Then drawer will do this journal entry. This is the third journal entry in the books of drawer. What it is? Bank account debit 9,500, the amount received, and second one, what will be the second one? Rebate on bill account debit 500 to bill receivable. This is the amount of bill received. This is the amount of the bill received by A, the drawer. Amount of the bill received by A, the drawer. In the books of drawing, who will tell me in the books of drawing what will be the 3 journal entries? Can anybody try orally? What will be the journal entries in the books of drawing? Anybody can try? Ansika, Sahibdeep, Jasanjeet. Anybody can voluntarily tell the journal entries in the books of drawing. Sahibdeep, try kariye.
So purchases account debit to A's account. Then next will be A's account debit to Bill's payable account.
Very good.
Then bill payable account debit to bank account to rebate on bill account.
Yeah, third journal entry is written here. Bills payable account debit to bank account 9,500. The amount actually paid by the drawing. Actually paid. Though he had to pay 10,000 rupees, but he is paying only 9,500. He has got a rebate of 500 rupees from drawer for making early payment, for making the payment in advance, 2 months before the maturity date. And the first 2 journal entries will remain same. There will be no change in the journal entries. First 2 journal entry. पहली journal entry उन्होंने सामान परचेज किया था. Purchase account debit to A's account. Journal entry for purchase of goods on credit from A. Second, he has given the acceptance. Yes, I will pay the bill after 3 months. That is B's account debit to Bill's payable account. B's account debit to Bill's payable account. And the third one is here. So very important case, very important topic it is. I hope it is clear to you. And questions from your book.
चूतिया बंदे हैं करेंगे मेरे सामने
And
सर
us, mute करो.
तू तो है ही बस का
Harsh Pant, anything to ask?
No, sir.
Questions are you doing in the notebook?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Others are doing the questions in the notebook. Tamanna?
Yes, sir.
The questions in the notebooks are very important. You have to do them simultaneously so that you get the topic, so that the topic is clear to you. Anybody can explain me again what is meant by discounting a bill from bank? Can anybody explain me this topic, this concept? Discounting a bill from bank, bill receivable. What do you mean by discounting a bill receivable from bank? In the exam, the questions can be asked like this. Explain the accounting treatment of discounting a bill from bank by the drawer. What is this concept? What is the meaning of it? What are the journal entries passed for this? ऐसे आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. What do you mean by endorsement of bill? Who is endorsee? Right? What are the journal entries passed for the endorsement of bill in the books of drawer, drawing, and the person to whom the bill is endorsed? This can be a very important question. Question can be, what do you mean by retiring a bill under rebate? What do you mean by retiring a bill under rebate? Explain, giving example, or explain, giving the journal entry for the same. then you have to explain the full process of retiring a bill. Retirement of bill is done by drawee. How? By making early payment before the maturity date. And for this, for making early payment, the drawee receives rebate or discount on the total amount of the bill for the period he makes advance payment. Therefore, rebate is income for the drawee, whereas it is a loss or expense for drawer. This way, you will have to explain and give the journal entries in the exam. What do you mean by sending a bill to the bank for collection? What do you mean by retaining a bill till maturity by the drawer? All these four cases are very important. After this is retiring a bill under rebate. After that is dishonor of the bill. After that is renewal of the bill. Renewal of the bill, I also explained to you yesterday. Renewal of the bill is making another bill, a fresh bill. After the old bill is cancelled, dishonored, and then cancelled, a new bill is formed and the same journal entry is passed. Bill receivable account debit to drawee, to B in this case, and the noting charges and the interest. Noting charges and interest are also added in the new bill. The drawee will bear the amount of noting charges and the amount of interest for delaying the payment of the bill. So please update yourself, keep doing the numericals, ask your problems, and join the classes regularly. Anybody want to ask anything? This is all for today. All those who have joined, I am very happy. Your attendance is taken daily, okay? And see that you take your studies very seriously. Very few days are left for the exams, okay? And prepare well for the exams. Anybody, any queries? Sayeed, Arspant, anything you want to ask? Very good. It is very good that you are joining the classes regularly, and you will definitely benefit out of it in your exams, in your practicals. All those who are joining will benefit regularly. Definitely. Thank you. God bless all of you.